Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the Basement Production. I'm going to show you how I create, design, build my Diablo Cojuelo mask. This one I purchased in the Dominican Republic, but I created a replica of the same mask without knowing how to do it. Okay, so I just created a replica of the same mask. There you have it, that's the mask right there. And I'm going to show you how I did it, the step that I took, and the hassle that I went through. Okay. As you can see guys, I just finished with the duck beak that will go into the Diablo Cojuelo mask. Okay, let me give you an example of how it's gonna translate. It's still a work in progress. I still gotta put papers on it, reinforce it, but it's coming along. Hopefully I can finish it tomorrow or by next week. It'll be done soon. Let's say for example, this is the mask, right? It's the mask, and this the beak gonna be like this. I don't know if you could see. I don't know if you could see it. The beak gonna be like this. Okay. The eyes, the horns, right? The beak gonna come out like this. The eyes gonna be here. The horns. I'm not gonna use this one. This is too short. I could always fix it. I could always implement something here. Try to fix it a little bit. Let's see how I come up. I'll bring it up. For now, that's what I have. So stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Normally, this is made basically with cardboard, piece by piece, attaching it with hot glue, cutting it, redoing it. Like I said, well, you don't know what you're doing. Once you start doing something, ideas start flowing. This is the beak for the Diablo Cojuelo mask. It simulates a duck beak, but it's in reality it's not. It's just that's the way they do it over there. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I am not an artist. This is my first time I'm doing this, and I'll be honest with you guys. This is the 10th time that I try, and every single time that I tried doing the beak, I failed. It didn't come out the way it was supposed to. It didn't come out nice. It didn't come out. It was a mess. So today I decided, let me give it another try. With all the errors that I committed so far, me failing all the time, what could go wrong? This is free. This is cardboard. Found it in the street. We had glue, purchased the glue, and started attaching it together and see how it come out. I watched some videos on YouTube. Normally in YouTube they don't show you. They show you differently. They don't show you the way I did it. Like I said, I'm not showing you how I did this or how to do it. I'm showing you how I'm doing it, the process that I took me to do it. And I'm pretty happy the way it came out. I am pretty happy the way it came out. As you can see, that's the beak, like I said. And this gonna go into the mask. Well, this one came out a little bit short, so I had to make it a little bit longer so it could fit in the bottom. And I'm gonna put the horns over here and some other stuff, but not in this one. This one's a little bit short. Unfortunately, I could try to fix it, but I don't want to waste my time. There you have it, guys. My last step that I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna cover it up with a nice piece of paper. I'm gonna paint it very nice, so we'll cover the inside. I'm gonna decorate it very nice. I'm gonna do some final touches on the mask, and then I'm gonna paint it with the colors. You will see the end result. Once again, thank you for watching Omarete Vilato, the person production. Once again, when you don't know what you're doing, you start doing something, ideas start flowing. Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the person production. This is the Diablo Cojuelo mask that I am designing, and I'm gonna show you the method that I implemented to build my own mask. This one I purchased in Dominican Republic, and I'm building a similar one using this model. Okay, so I try to build this mask different way, and I was not successful. So I came up with a method, and it works for me. So I'm gonna show it to you how I did it. The first thing that I did, I got an aluminum foil. Right? I'm not gonna do the whole thing. Just I did aluminum foil, and I wrap it around the mask. And just an example, I'm gonna show you just how I did it. I wrap it around the mask with aluminum foil, the whole mask, and then I pull out the aluminum foil, creating the same mold. Then I added tape around the aluminum foil. Once I had the mold created, I apply glue and newspapers. That's how I got my mask, the one that I'm designing, similar to this one. So once again, stay tuned for the whole video so you can see how I did it, the step that I took, and the procedures. It was very exciting. So once again, Omarete Vilato, the Batman production guy. Stay tuned for more. I am covering the mask with aluminum foil so I could make a template out of it. And then once I create a template out of the mask, I'm gonna put a tape, glue, and a newspaper. You see how it come out. I am creating a template out of the original mask using aluminum foil. Once I cover the whole mask with aluminum foil for me to create a template, I'm gonna put glue and newspaper so I could make the mask solid like this one. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so guys, as you could see, I created my mold with aluminum foil. You can see it right here, and tape, Scotch tape. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this mold out, and then I'm gonna apply more tape, and then on top of the tape, I'm gonna apply glue and newspapers to harden the mask. And we're gonna make something similar to this one. So guys, once again, Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the basement production. I'm gonna be showing you now me painting the Diablo Cojuelo mask. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the spray paint, white, and then I'm gonna use different colors to give it a nice round shape. So there you have it, guys. Stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the basement production.